Hello guys, let's solve the question before us. I read the question, evaluate the integral. That is integral from 0 to 1. We have dx over square root of 9 minus 6x minus x squared. And so guys, now we come to solve this question. The first thing guys we are going to do, we are going to complete the square for this. And this one we can do it first of all by multiplying by negative. And that we do because guys we require x squared here. We require this x to be x squared. And so therefore, shall have integral from 0 to 1 dx. And now we can factor out or multiply by negative. So that guys we shall now have square root of x squared now plus 6x minus 9. Guys, we have just factored out the negative. And we do that so that x squared will be positive. As you can see, if you multiply negative multiply by that, you get negative, negative, and this becomes plus. From there, guys, we are going to complete the square for this. And we can come out of the integral and now come to this term. That is x squared plus 6x minus 9. To complete the square for that, guys, we come and write x, that is square root of x, a half of 6 plus 3, now squared, minus square of this, that comes to 9, and then minus 9 once again. And therefore, guys, we shall have x plus 3 squared, now minus 18. So guys, now I have put the term once again. That is the denominator once again. And as you can see, this is the denominator. Guys, I come now and return the way it was by multiplying negative, multiply by that term. And so therefore, guys, we now return to the way it was supposed to be. That is before I factored out negative. And so therefore, we shall have dx all over now 18 minus x plus 3 squared, and then we put the square root right there. So guys, this equation is now supposed to be like that. We have completed the square. And now guys, we come and say let u be equal to x plus 3. Therefore, du all over dx will now be equal to 1. And that means, guys, that du equals to dx. Again, we can also say after substituting, when x equals to 0, then u is then going to be equal to, put 0 here, u is going to be equal to 3. When x equals to 1, that is the upper limit, u then is going to be equal to, u equals to 1 plus 3, that is 4. As you can see in our substitution. And therefore, guys, now we now come and write in terms of u. For that, you are going to have integral of from, now you shall have from 3 to 4 of, for the dx is supposed to be du, this is going to be du equals to dx, and therefore we shall have du right there, all over. Now we have square root 18 minus u squared. So guys, this is what we have now. Guys, from there, as you can see, we have this equation from the tables. Guys, this is an equation from the table which represent the integral of du over square root of a squared minus u squared. This comes to sine inverse u over a plus a constant. And so therefore, guys, we come now and modify this equation. And the only place we are going to modify is right here, whereby instead of writing 18, guys, we shall write square root of 18 squared. So that, guys, when you square, you will get your original 18. And so therefore, the value of a is square root of 18. And the square root of 18 is written right here, as you can see. Guys, now we can come and now replace for lower limit and the upper limit. First of all, we replace for 4 in this equation. So if we write u is equals to 4, guys, as you can see here, we have 4 written in third form, which is now 2 multiplied by square root of 2, square root of 2. Guys, if you put that here and then you put 18, which is 3 square root of 2. Guys, this one of the square root of 2 is going to cancel. And so you shall be left now with 2 square root of 2, and then you have over 3 minus. You replace with 3. Guys, we shall have 3. And for the square root of 18 is 3 square root of 2. And so therefore that cancels. And finally then, guys, you are going to have sine inverse 2 square root of 2 all over 3, now minus. This now we write minus. Guys, since this is formed by a special triangle, which is now pi over 4. Guys, pi over 4 is a special triangle. And therefore, guys, our solution then is supposed to be like this. Guys, you can go ahead and try to find that, but still, with that, guys, this is correct. And thank you guys for listening to me. In fact, the solution finally will come to 25.5 degrees if you are to complete that. Thank you guys for listening to me. Bye.